morning. Saturday again, we're back out in the Mournes, testing out a new light here. It's near for 8 o'clock in the morning. Let me see, Finlieve. It's one of the, I would say, less tracked routes and less heard of mountains, but it's a 12-kilometre hike and walk. It only takes in Finlieve, and then so we started at the Attical. We walked up the sandy road, came through the gate as you've seen. Going to follow the track up the Finlieve, and then it just drops back down and back down into Attical, I think. We're out with Stephen and Neil, as you've seen there. I can hear a bit of a stream, which is just down in here. I do actually think we'll sort of follow the river up, and it's a typical weather here in the Mournes. It's given a weather warning, but only an amber one for winds coming in this afternoon, so we should be fine weather wise. Not too sure what views we'll get at the top. You should be able to see Binion, Sleep Binion and Eagle, but there's cloud on Eagle at the mountain, or at the moment, so I'll catch these two up. Start of it now, the bottom of Finlieve. There's a good track, and there was a good bit of a path there at the start of it. I'm going to follow the fence, not too sure if I can see it, up. The bogland is a wee bit, it's a bit fraught, a bit icy still at the moment. We're coming out of a cold snap here, so we are. Yeah, so I'll just follow the fence, like I say, up, and then we'll just see what we'll get. Oh, not too sure what's happening there. Not too sure what all we'll see up here today, but just my luck. Past couple of days here in Northern Ireland, it's been absolute crystal clear, and you come out this morning and it's the usual dankness. Give you a wee tour here, hopefully. There's nothing to see. In behind there is Eagle Mountain, and then you come to the Cull, and then Sleeve Moor, spin you around, Crocknafola Forest, spin you around a wee bit more towards Ackram Hill, and Knockcree will be over there. And there's the lads. Pouring on as always, but you get used to that. Well over halfway now, I'm not too sure if I can hear us. Got the anemometer out there. We've got about 22, 23 mile an hour gusts at the moment, and we're not at the top. The thing about the Western Mournes, there's no wall or anything about this one, so we're exposed to the elements at the moment. We'll keep going. I don't think we'll bail out in this one. We will get to the top. Not too sure if we'll just come back down or do the full loop. I think we'll do the full loop, so we will. But I'll show you these two boys powering on. Like two absolute mountain goats. Just having a wee bit of lull there in the wind, but sod's laws picked up. Checked the old trails. We are going the right way still. We came away from the fence because I'm not too sure if I've done a bit of video in there. There's a bit of a gorge in the gully, so didn't want to stay too close to that. I think away in the distance, Finlieve. Not too far now. I guess we're almost 2 mile in, maybe. Or no, sorry, just over a mile and a quarter, or a mile and 3/4 in. We've been at this an hour and a half. After halfway there, it sort of it doesn't flatten out. Obviously, it's just a nice gentle climb. Nothing too steep. First part was a wee bit boggy, but you get to expect that in the western Mournes. So you do. If you're new here, this does sort of happen quite a lot in my videos, unfortunately. Being clagged in. But we'll do get good days. You have to come out in the bad days and appreciate the good ones. At the summit of Finlieve, we're at the half point. We've walked about for 15-20 minutes, but as you can see, it's very bleak conditions. Oh, we can't find no trig point or cairn. I know it does say on all trails it's unimpressive mound of stones. Starting to pick up. If the wind wasn't here, it would actually be a nice day. It's quite mild. No rain at the moment anyway, just winds. And there's the lads there. Let's see. Stephen with the orange rain cover, Neil with the blue. I'll catch him up because I don't want them to go too far. I'm running about like a headless chicken up here. Forgot to say, the main reason for today was just to come up, have a look at Finlieve for camping spots. We've seen a man that I follow on Instagram, Gary, or Outdoors Ireland. Gary's in it, uphill all day. It's flat enough, but it is very boggy underfoot. Maybe on a good summer's evening you get loads of tents, like, don't get me wrong, but it's what you're pitching on top of. The Gary's just down there, it's just pure swamp. I'm standing, I was just sinking at the moment, so I'm not too sure. I might have to take Finlieve off the camping list, but or else maybe just do the recce again on a good day. Absolute horrendous navigating from the Sherpa there. Nowhere near the half point. That's us up there. But it does go to show, if you don't have some sort of navigation stuff with you, it could go absolutely peaked on. But we'll push on. I'm starving, by the way. No big surprise. worth it. Not cared, well worth it. Whew. I think we're in the worst of it now. That was near 30-mile-an-hour winds. I'm not even too sure if you can hear me or not, but we've touched it. We're going to start to drop and then maybe get some breakfast. Check in soon.
You know where that arrow's going?
Yeah.
That's going this trail, isn't it? You go that trail, feel where the arrow's going. We're going on it.
Right.
We're going this trail.
There's the current. Forgot to say, over that way is Carlingford. You should be able to see Finlieve Binion. Obviously not today. Food time, hopefully. We check in just, oh, well, you know you're not dropping down now because the views are starting to open up a bit. I'm not actually too sure what that is, to be honest. It's been a bit treacherous coming down there, not treacherous, just navigating coming down. It's the first time this way, so I don't know really about it much. I do think we're going to go up here a wee bit and then you drop down onto the road, which will bring you back to the car park. But fingers crossed, only an hour or so, maybe an hour and a half, maybe even. But like I always say, we're not out to break records, and today we haven't really broke any records. Unfortunately, no views at the moment. Very peaceful. Can't be bad for a Saturday morning. So the forest is Kilbrony Forest, and that will be Finlieve Meal. There is a bit of a loop over there, Finlieve Mourne and all. So starting off in Ross Driver, so we probably will hit that way soon. Take that one off as well. So Ross Driver, Finlieve Meal. Starting to get a few more views. Green Castle on Cranfield, Knockcrete, and down into Attical, where we're heading. Forgot to say, that last wee cairn up there was rocky. Not too sure if it's Rocky Mountain or not, but I'll put the stats underneath it. So, well, you've probably already seen it. So we have 3 Rockies in the Mournes, and we've done them all so far. The clouds are just moving in again. We're not long to go back to the car. There we go, off the mountain with a bit of road walk to do back up to the Sandy Brae car park. I think it's about a mile and a half from here, so maybe take 45 minutes or so if I put the boot down. I'll see us back there, not boys many road walking. that's us done. Finlieve, just back at the car now. The Finlieve loop. Distance 8.65. Time 3 hours 51 minutes. I'll be honest with you, if you've stayed this long, thanks very much by the way. Maybe a very uninspiring video there this morning with the clag and all, and the clouds. There was no rain, it stayed dry, can't complain with that. It was just windy at the top, and then coming down it was a bit of a slog. Zigzagged through a couple of wee mountains and all, then followed the road back up. Tight enough. We never stopped for a sandwich or anything, but as you're saying, I've got the sandwich beside me. I'm on my OEX lightweight stool, which I like. I brought it this morning thinking we'd get a bite to eat at the top, but unfortunately not. So without further ado, I'll leave it here. I'll see you all next week. I'll not video myself eating this sandwich because absolutely nobody needs to see this, but it's going to die a death. See you next week.